Hi everyone. Next we are going to talk about Keyword Everywhere Chrome extension. This extension is also available for Firefox and also for Chrome. And the Chrome version is also working on Brave browser. So in case you're using the Brave browser, you can use the Chrome version of it. So I'll just click on install for Chrome, and here we can see Keywords Everywhere Keyword Planning Tool. So and I'll just click on add to Brave. In your case, you'll be adding it to either Chrome, Firefox, or Brave, whatever browser you're using. We'll just wait for this extension to be added to the browser. Once it is added, you'll need to sign in to this to this extension. So I'll just click on extensions here, all extensions here. I'll just click on the Keyword Everywhere extension, and it is on. Sign up for the new API referral program. So they also have a referral program. So I'll just click on sign up for the API, and I can just sign in with my email ID. Okay, and I'll get it in my inbox. So here we have got the API. Please click here to access the API key. So I'll just click on that. I'll just copy this API, and I'll just go to Brave here, and there's something called as settings there. So I'll just click on Brave Keyword Everywhere, and can you see the settings tab here? So you can just click on this setting tab, and here you can just click on the API key, and you can click on validate. So API key is valid. Okay, now I can select the country. So let's say I can select India. I can select the currency in INR. So these are some new features which they have added. In your case, you can keep it global. You can keep it US dollar also. So USD. So okay, let me just keep it as INR only. I'm not able to find USD. I think it should be on the top. Yeah, we have it there. So this is what we have done. Now we have activated this API key and all. In your case, you should not be using the same API key. You can sign up for keywords everywhere, and you can get your own API key as well. Now, how does this tool work, and why is this one of my favorite tools? So now if I just go to google.com, and let me search for, let's say, website development. You can search anything and everything you want. Now if you just scroll down, you can see a lot of related keywords which are suggested by this tool. Okay, so there are few things with this tool is suggesting. Number one, it is telling you the SEO difficulty level for this specific keyword. Okay, it is giving you an idea whether it's a brand keyword or not a brand keyword. It is stating the off page difficulty score. It is asking for the on page SEO difficulty score as well. So on page, off page, we are going to talk about it in this entire course, but this is something which you get to know. Apart from this, if we scroll down, we can see the search trends. We can see the global trends in terms of the number of searches which are happening for this specific keyword. Okay, we can get an idea about this thing. Then we can just scroll down further, and we can get the related keywords, and we can also get people also searched for. Now here we are not able to get any search volumes and all. Let me just click on load metrics. If I click on that, it will ask me to buy some credits. So you can go ahead and buy this credit. So for $10 you're getting like 1 lakh credits. So you can search for 1 lakh terms on Google, and it will suggest you the number of search volumes and all the details about that specific term. Okay. So we'll need to buy this thing. There is one workaround which we can work with this tool, and I'll talk about it at the end of this video. But for now, you can just buy the credits if you want to, or you can use the workaround which I'll be suggesting at the end of this video. So here we can see that the all the related keywords have been suggested. They'll also suggest you long tail keywords. So this is also a very effective thing. Long tail keywords, as we have spoke about it in the previous session, is easier to optimize. So you also get suggestions about long tail keywords, and you can easily export this entire list also. So simply you can just click on export, and you'll get the CSV file which is there, and you can simply get that exported. One more good thing about this tool is it will tell you, if you just scroll down towards the website, it will tell you the organic traffic per month that URL is getting, and the organic traffic per month the entire website is getting. So here this is Wikipedia, definitely it will be having a lot of traffic. So organically this URL is getting around 9,100 hits per month. And let's not go into this number, it's quite big because it's Wikipedia for sure. Similarly, if you just look at some other website, let's say this is HubSpot blog, so we can see around 3,400 monthly traffic it is getting from this specific page, from this specific keyword, from this on this specific URL. So it would be ranking for various different things. So this gives you an estimate of the traffic of the top websites which are there. Okay, so Udemy is getting around 3,300 hits per month. Okay, and that's a lot of traffic. So total 65 keywords. Udemy ranks for 65 keywords. This URL of Udemy ranks on Google. Let me just click on it and see. So it is asking us to purchase the credits if you want to get more data on that specific aspect. Okay. So overall, this tool is my absolute favorite. Even if you go to YouTube also it will suggest you certain metrics. If you're searching something on YouTube, you'll be able to see and download the same experience. The best thing about this keyword tool is that you don't have to go out of the website. So most of the tools you will have to go to the website tool and then get an idea about it. But in this specific tool, you get it in the search SERP itself. SERP is search engine result page only. You get overall details. So here, when we are searching for this keyword on YouTube, we are able to see the search volumes and average views and all those things. We are able to see the web trends. So how is the trend increasing, decreasing? That is something which we can see. Okay, and this is a Vids IQ panel. So I'll just turn it off because we are not talking about that at this point in time. So, but apart from that, you get a lot of insights about the keyword that we are searching from YouTube as well. So overall, this is a good tool. Now, let's say if you don't want to buy the credits, by the way, credits are really cheap. It's like $10 per like queries is not a very big amount to be paid. But let's say if in case you don't want to buy it, like you are not going to use it so regularly, because most of the time, if you have a couple of websites to do SEO for, you get the keywords and then you start the SEO process. So you don't have to really find the keywords every now and then. So in that case, what you can do is you can export the uh, tools, the keywords which are suggested by this specific tool. So let me just show that again on Google, and you can just export it, and then you can go back to the Google, keyword planner. You can just go to ads.google.com. You can go to the Google keyword planner, and from there you can get the idea about the search volumes and the related searches, etc. So let me just try a different query. Let me search for buy shoes online, and now here we have got all the keywords which are related to it. So I can just copy it from here or export it, and then I can just go to the keyword planner. I'll need to sign in, which I've shown you in the previous video, so you can refer that video, and you can just sign in there and import those keywords there, and then you can get an idea about how those keywords are performing in terms of search volumes and all. So you don't have to buy the credits in that case. Also, if you have got a good source of traffic, they've got a good referral program also. You can just click on the referral program, and your referral link is loading. Please wait. So it's loading, and you can share it with other people as well. So you can earn free credits by inviting your friends, and if they purchase, you get 20% of the credits, and they get 20% extra. So let's say, for example, if they purchase 5 lakhs of credits, you will get 1 lakh of credits for free, and they will also get additional 1 lakh of credits for free. So you will be getting 6 lakh, and the person who is referring you will be getting 1 lakh. So that's a benefit that you and the person gets. 1 lakh credit each of you are getting. So that's how it goes. So I'll be sharing this link in the in the resource thing. So if you are looking forward to buy, definitely you can use my link. So both of us can benefit out of it. You will get 20% extra. I'll also get 20%. It's not mandatory. Definitely, I've told you the workaround also. If you even if you are not buying the credits, you can use the Google keyword planner, and you can import all the keywords from here. You can export these keywords which you get from here, copy them, paste them in Google keyword planner, and you can get an idea about that. So I hope you found this video informative. You can use this tool. This is one of my favorite tools. All the best, guys.